Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a Beetlejuice inspired hair bow. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit for you guys. We are using the ice cream drip template, which will be linked down below for you. It is a 4-part template. You have the loop, you have a topper to the loop, your spikes, and the center. I've pre-cut all of mine, and as you can see, they are in a stripe glitter canvas and a apple green glitter canvas. It's going to be a really quick, easy bow to show you guys. The supplies you're going to need are obviously the pieces cut out from the template that will be linked down below for you. You're going to need scissors, and you are going to need your hot glue gun. So to get started, you guys know I always like to put, oh, you're also going to need the, you're going to need a clip of your choice. I would recommend an alligator clip. They tend to work the best for this style bow. I forgot to put another glue stick in my glue gun. Alright, so to get started, you guys know I like to put the clip onto the bow first. So run some glue, and you're going to attach it to the back of the spikes. Make sure it is good and centered, and then press down. Oh, there you go. And make sure that it really sticks to the back of your spikes. And at this point, I will come in and glue the center wrap to the inside of the clip. Yeah. Sorry if you can hear road noise. It is a beautiful day here in Maine today, so my windows are wide open. Alright, now that that part is done, you are going to put that aside, and you're going to work on the rest of your bow. I usually like to glue down the topper, or at least the top part of it. The rest of it you're going to want to wait to glue down until you have it all together. So I run glue right along the top, and it's just a matter of making sure that you line the topper up with the loops and press down as you go. Like that. All right. Now that you have the basis of that, we're going to attach the tabs to the center of the bow. One at a time, and then you're going to want to hold the center down just to make sure that everything attaches. Some glue on my finger, so we'll peel that off. And you're literally just going to push down and make sure everything adheres and it doesn't pop back up at you. Now you can glue the drips down if they really bother you free hanging, or you can just let them go as is. I am going to let them go. So you're going to attach the bows, the bow parts to the spike. Like so. And just pinch down and hold for a minute or two. And then take the center wrap and wrap right around to the back. Now, you don't need these, but they are helpful when it's such a close fit, is a pair of jewelry pliers, because then you can grab onto that center wrap and really make sure that you get a nice tight wrap. So you're going to add a little bit of glue on the inside, and then I take the pliers, hold on to that little bit at the ends, close the clip, and I pull with the jewelry pliers. Once it sets, you can come back and trim off that little bit of extra. And there you go. You can sit here, and usually at this point I will fluff up the little loops. If you use a nice thick glitter canvas for the base, it's so much easier to get a good shape to it. This stuff, I used a thicker glitter canvas for the base and then a thinner one for the drip on the top. And that is it, guys. You have a very, very cute Beetlejuice bow that you can wear to the movie when it comes out in September. We are very excited in my house about it. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please click the subscribe button down here. Make sure to like and share this video if you liked it and you thought somebody else might get something out of it. Once you click the subscribe button, though, there's a bell right next to it. Make sure to click that bell, send your notifications to all. Subscribing and sharing, also commenting down below, really help me in the algorithm. It boosts it, helps my videos get seen by more people. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below as well. If you have gotten to the end, please comment and tell me how excited you are to see the new Beetlejuice movie. If you have any video suggestions, please leave those down below. Also, please check out our Instagram, which is pinned down in the description box. Make sure to join that community as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!